Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame. In all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Please use these levels for entering and exiting your trades. Higher time frame levels are much more valid than the lower time frame levels, so you can expect the market to trade between the higher time frame support and resistance levels. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities. We do not provide call services and account management services. This group is only to share trading ideas. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. As we already know, the current price action is narrowing down from the top and also from the bottom, and it is trading between a symmetric triangle, which means that there is no direction in the market and it is consolidating. Soon we can expect a directional breakout. As I told in the yesterday's video, I am expecting a bullish directional breakout. And these are all the support and resistance for the current price action in daily time frame. And when we notice the price action, previously also this level, which is around 1834, has acted as a very strong resistance. It has retested again it has retested, and next time when it retraced, it couldn't manage to test this level also. It came below to the level of 1831 and the market bounced back. So the bullish strength or the bearish strength is getting weaker in this currency pair. It is sort of a consolidation which is presently happening in this currency pair. And I had already highlighted that current price action is trying to form similar price action which had happened previously, and it has completed this portion and it has completed this part also. So if it is exactly going to form the same price action, I am expecting the price action to take support on this level, which is going to be around 1790, and then rebounds, then to retrace back. Currently we can notice that it is replicating this part of the price action. So we can see a retracement happening over here. So we can expect a double top pattern being formed here, then a completion of the double top pattern. But this level is going to be acting as a very strong support, which is around 1768, because you had seen lot of price rejection at this level, and currently also we can see the symmetric triangle support level is passing through this level. So this level will be very strong support. If it breaches this level, we can expect a next level of support to be tested, which is around 1752. And I have been highlighting also that current price action is forming a head and shoulder pattern, and I am expecting it to go up and retrace back. So this will be a head and shoulder pattern, and we have a confirmation because the price is getting rejected over here and it is on a retracement. So we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. You can notice that the current price action is nicely trading within a bullish channel pattern. It has gone up, formed sort of a double top pattern. Again it has gone up and it is trying to form a double top pattern. But here when we notice the price action, it has not taken the previous high. So it is losing momentum on the bullish side. We can expect it to breach this channel pattern support level and fall further. Because when we say a double top pattern, this will be acting as a neckline. Only when it breaks this neckline, we can expect a further fall, and I am expecting it to break this neckline, and I am expecting it to test the level of 1790. Because it has lost momentum on the bullish side, retracement will be happening. And this level will be acting as a very strong support, because previously also we have seen the price action coming to this level and bouncing back. Even if it bounces back, this level will be the next level of resistance, which is around 1814. And this is from the higher time frame, so this will be a very strong resistance level. So I am expecting the market to be on the sideways rather than a channel pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in the blue color are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently market doesn't look bullish. It is on a retracement for now. Only if it breaks this level of 1828, the bullish trend will start. It is on a retracement for now. I am expecting the market to break this channel pattern and fall further. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here when we look at the price action, it is still trading within a bullish channel pattern. Only when it breaks this channel pattern support level, we can say that the trend reversal has happened. Currently this level of 1799 is the support level for the current price action. It was on a very nice bearish trend and went on a bullish trend, but when we notice a retracement level, it has not retraced to the previous high, which denotes that the bullish trend is weaker. Currently the price action has retraced to this support level and bounced back, again taken support on this trend line, and it is on a retracement. You can notice that the bullish retracement is becoming weaker and weaker. We can expect it to trend like this and break this channel pattern support level. Request you to draw a trend line like this and know the trend of the market. Whenever the price action takes support on here and bounces back, we can expect the price getting rejected on this trend line and retrace. So you can enter into bearish side trade when it bounces back. When it breaks on this level, we can expect a bullish trend continuation, which means you can go on a bullish side. So this trend line will help you to decide on which direction to enter into the trade, whether on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values in black color are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the market in 30 minutes time frame, it is in a retracement. I am expecting it to take support or breach this channel pattern support line. When it breaches, you can go on a bearish side trade, or if it bounces back, you can go on a bullish side trade. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. I am drawing a trend line over here. We can clearly notice that it is forming a very nice triangle pattern. It is trading within this support and resistance level. We can expect it to narrow down and a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side. Since this is a 5 minutes time frame, you can do scalping within this support and resistance levels. Currently this level will be acting as a resistance level for the current price action, and this trend line will be acting as a support level, which is around 1803. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently you can notice that the market is slowly on a bearish trend. We can expect it to retrace to this trend line and then bounce back. Only when it breaks this trend line, we can expect a bullish trend reversal. Mark these levels in your chart and decide on your entry and exit based on this resistance and support levels. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends.